Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to log out of your Paxful application using your mobile device. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the Paxful app and make sure you are in the home page. In the home page of Paxful, tap on the human icon located at the top left corner. This will open up the account interface. Scroll all the way down until you find the sign out button in red. To sign out of your account, tap on the sign out button, but before that, make sure you remember your login credentials before you log out of your account. If you remember your credentials, you can tap on sign out without worry and then confirm signing out by tapping on sign out once again in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be redirected to the main homepage, logged out of your Paxful account. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.